SciEx Now Learning Hub is available to you 24/7 to support the continual readiness and proficiency of your laboratory talent. Easy to access and simple to use, Learning Hub is designed to provide you with a full suite of courses and programs to help you achieve success. All this with over hundreds of self-paced e-learning courses offered at no cost. You just need to register to gain access to this highly rated content. Are you ready to explore the Learning Hub? Let's get started. On the SciEx.com main page, click on the Support tab to go to SciEx Now, a personalized online support network that optimizes your experience with us. Note that you can search all of our online help content from the SciEx Now search bar, but to access the content of Learning Hub, you will need to be logged in. If you're logged in to SciEx Now Online, you'll see a dashboard to easily access your instruments, your support cases, your software, Learning Hub, Learning Manager, recommended applications, your favorite content from the resource library, and the SciEx user community. If not already logged in, click to log in to your existing SciEx account or create your account. Click on the My Learning Hub tile button. Now you have arrived at the Learning Hub dashboard. The dashboard provides you with easy access to the courses and your training records. It allows you to access Learning Manager if you are currently subscribed and updates you with all the latest news. To see all course offerings, click on the Catalog tile. You are taken to the course catalog on the SciEx.com website where you'll see a list of available courses to browse, filter, or search. You can browse all courses in the catalog or click the tiles to filter the list. You can view free courses available to all users or view premium access content available to users with a SciEx instrument under warranty, users that have an active SciEx service or support plan, or users that are active subscribers to Learning Manager. You can view instructor-led training courses available to purchase that are held at SciEx or at the customer site. Clicking the Paid Online tile will show you our virtual training content that can be purchased, such as e-learning paths or virtual instructor-led programs. All e-learning paths are included with a Learning Manager subscription. To find out more about a training course for purchase, simply click the course in the catalog. If logged in, you'll see the cost. You can also view additional course information and get access to resources such as the course syllabus or agenda. For instructor-led courses held at SciEx, you'll see a list of all upcoming sessions with the number of available seats. For regions where e-commerce is available, you can click Buy Now to purchase the course in our web store. Otherwise, click Get a Quote or Request More Information to find out more about the course. If you have a specific course you're looking for, you can search by keyword. You can also refine your search by filtering using various categories. Simply select your filter options. Ready to enroll in the course? Click the course title to return to Learning Hub and click the Start button to begin the course. If you don't want to begin the course right away, but you think it looks interesting, you can enroll in the course to add it to your courses or add it to the My Pin courses on the dashboard to make it easier to find at a later date. Once you start the course, you can expand the course details pane. Here you can see the course overview, get more details about the lessons included in the course, and browse the review section where you can leave us a comment or check out what others are saying about the course. Click to collapse the course details pane again. On the right side of the course page, you'll be able to see your current progress for the lessons included in the course and quickly select a different lesson if required. You can easily change the current page layout if desired. Once you've completed the course, you can click Course Evaluation to rate the course and then use the X in the top corner to close the course page and return to the dashboard. You can view courses that you've enrolled in from the My Courses ribbon on the dashboard or by clicking the My Courses tile. The current status for each course is shown, and you can launch this course at any time regardless of the status. Whether you enroll in e-learning, a how-to video, or simply following a lab exercise, all online content is self-paced. If you purchased a Success program, you'll find your personalized learning path under My Courses. Launch the curriculum and start your learning journey. Your progress is shown on the right panel. Upon completion of the core courses and successfully passing the knowledge evaluation, you'll be granted a program certificate. Have to drop during the middle of the course? Don't worry, the system remembers where you left off and will take you back there next time you launch the course. You can choose a course to resume from the ribbon on the dashboard or click the Resume tile to quickly resume the last course you launched. Learning Hub tracks all your training records and maintains your transcript for you. Whenever needed, come to the transcript section to print out your full transcript or individual certificates. You'll also see a full list of enrolled courses with the status, score, dates of enrollment, and completion, and your score if applicable. If you are currently subscribed to Learning Manager, you can click the tile on the dashboard to view the learner detail page if you are a learner, or the Learning Manager dashboard if you are an admin or lab manager. The Messages inbox keeps all the messages sent to you by Learning Hub, such as enrollment confirmation and course completion emails. You also have a record of your activity on the Learning Hub. Everything on the dashboard can also be accessed from the menu in the upper right corner of the main page. In addition, there are quick buttons directing you to SAICS Now and Learning Manager. Excited about SAICS Now Learning Hub? Register and start learning today. If you have any questions, please contact us at saicsnowlearning@saics.com. Happy learning!